If you're part of the Apple ecosystem and are afraid of losing your devices, AirTags are a wonderful way to keep everything in check. My name is Adullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can change your AirTag's battery.
Opening an AirTag is actually quite simple. All you have to do is pick up the AirTag, flip it around, and press down with both thumbs on the metallic part. Then rotate it anti-clockwise and the lid will automatically pop off. To change the battery, all you have to do is get the old one out, take the new one and make sure that the negative side, the side without any text on it, is pointing downwards and is making contact with the metal contacts inside the AirTag. Place the battery in and you'll hear a small beep. Then put the cover back, make sure to align these grooves with the slots in the AirTag. Give it a small twist, press it down and rotate it clockwise and you've replaced the battery in your AirTag.
If you like these videos, consider subscribing, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such content can we bring for you. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology. Follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.